Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make someone else host in Google Meet. So in order to make someone else the host in Google Meet, you will have to start your meeting in Google Calendar. So go to Google Calendar, click on the day where you want to have your meeting, and then just simply name your meeting and go to add Google Meet video conferencing. This will basically add it to Google Meet. And now just simply add guest. So I will quickly add a guest. And as you can see, I am the organizer and this is just a guest. So right now press save and send the invitation. So if you want to change the host to the guy that I just add as a guest, just click on the meeting, then simply click on options and click on change owner. Then select the guy and click on change owner. Right now the ownership will transfer to him and he will receive an email to claim his ownership over this event. If he will claim his ownership, this will change and you will no longer be the organizer or the host of the meeting. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.